In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a report on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a report available to the right people using Salesforce's folder sharing and how to double check that the access is set correctly. Start on the Salesforce homepage. From the app bar at the top, switch into the Sales app. This gives us the standard navigation where reports is typically available or easy to add. If you don't see reports on your nav bar, personalize it next. Click the small pencil icon on the navigation bar to edit your items, then choose Add More Items. In the search box that appears, type Reports and select it. Add it to your navigation so it's one click away in the future. When you're done, close out of the personalization window. If you see prompts or additional panels, simply cancel and close them. Your nav bar should now include Reports. Click Reports on the nav bar to open the Reports home. At the top, switch to All Reports. If you want to see a broad list, then move into All Folders so we can share at the folder level. In Salesforce, report sharing is controlled by folders, so the goal is to share the folder that contains your report. Locate the folder that holds your report. If you have a folder like Commerce Business Reports, select that. To share the folder, click the small arrow next to the folder name to reveal its options, then choose Share. You'll see the sharing panel for that folder. First, change the selector to public groups so you can grant access to a defined audience all at once. Sharing with a group rather than individual users keeps things organized and easier to maintain. In the list of groups, click the names you want to include. If your organization uses a group like All Customer Portal Users, you can choose that to make the folder visible to those users in one step. Select the group or groups that match your sharing intent. Next, pick the permission level for the selected group. You'll see View, Edit, and Manage. View allows people to see and run the reports in the folder without changing them. Edit lets them modify and save reports in that folder. Manage allows full control of the folder and its sharing settings. Consider the principle of least privilege here. Give the lowest level that still lets teammates do their jobs. For most broad audiences, View is the safest choice, so set it to View if that's your plan. Before applying the changes, switch to the Who Can Access section of the sharing panel. This is the summary view where you can confirm exactly who already has access and at what level. It's a great place to catch duplicate entries or overly broad permissions. If everything looks right, click Share to apply your selections. Salesforce will process the update and you'll see the group listed with the permission you chose. When you're finished, click Done to close the sharing panel. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the share option on a folder, you may not have the necessary permission to manage that folder. In that case, contact your Salesforce administrator or the folder owner to request the change. If your report lives in a personal or private folder, move it to a shared folder first. Only items in shared folders can be made visible to others. When in doubt between Edit and Manage, choose Edit. Reserve Manage for a small set of owners who oversee the structure and access. Finally, it's smart to verify from a recipient's perspective. Ask a colleague in the selected group to refresh their browser and check the Reports tab. If they can open, run, and see the report as intended, your sharing is set up correctly. That's it. Your report is now shared through its folder with clear, controlled access for the right audience.